I am Naga Padmini Karamchedu.
And I am Braden Fleming. This is an introduction to our paper entitled Bridge Enhanced ACL Repair Leads to Greater Limb Asymmetry and Less Cartilage Damage Than Untreated ACL Transection or ACL Reconstruction in the Porcine model.
In this study, we compared the gait changes and osteoarthritis progression after bare and ACL reconstruction surgeries in the Yucatan mini pig model over 1 year. We expected that greater limb symmetry would lead to less cartilage damage. The results surprised us. The bare group had less cartilage damage, but greater limb offloading. These findings will inform future studies on biological and neuromuscular factors that might play into cartilage protection after ACL surgery.
It should be also noted that the Porcine model allows us to longitudinally evaluate changes while controlling compounding factors not possible to do in humans. Thank you.
Thank you.